Benvinguts a aquest nou programa de viatges Take It Easy in Sri Lanka, un programa on a través de 10 capítols us explicarem diferents aspectes d'aquest país del sud de l'Àsia, però ho farem d'una forma diferent. We try to mix English language with Catalan. Intentarem barrejar els dos idiomes. Why? Because when you travel, when you go all around the world, you want to communicate with people. Quan viatges pel món, te vols comunicar amb la gent i la millor forma de fer-ho és en l'anglès. En un anglès que no sigui perfecte, no és un anglès d'Oxford. We try to speak in a global English, in a globish, that English that the non-native speakers use. So, let's start. Comencem aquesta petita aventura. Just take it easy, relaxa't i enjoy yourself. El nostre viatge comença amb un cop de porta, el so de les claus, a farewell, and the need to walk the streets. We go underground to leave the city as soon as possible. Wait, the bus is coming. I comença la ruta pel meravellós món dels aeroports. Ens n'esperen 4 en les pròximes 24 hores. First destination, Milà. Looking for our place and waiting again. La hostessa fa la seva feina en una companyia que amb seients buits sembla que paga el caos estival. It feels so lonely in an empty plane.
Tripulación de cabina correcta a bordo.
Agafant energies pel que ens queda allà dalt. Italy is so beautiful also from the air. Okay, first flight done. Més esperes i a recollir l'equipatge. So, today we started our trip to Sri Lanka, to Colombo. We started at midday, migdia, from Barcelona. We took our first flight, el nostre primer vol, around 3 p.m. Sobre les 3 de la tarda, we arrived here in Milano, Malpensa, around 4:30, a les 4:30. I nothing, we have to wait. Esperar-nos unes 6 hores for our next flight, el nostre pròxim vol aquesta vegada cap a Oman. We're going to Oman and then again another stopover, una altra escala, and we're gonna get to Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka. We saved more than 200 euros flying from Milano with a company from the Gulf, and they have a funny way to show you the safety instructions. Almenys aconsegueixen que tothom estigui atent a les pantalles. Thank you for your attention. Entre les coses que pots fer en un vol d'Oman Air és llegir l'Alcorà. You never know where you can find new inspirations. Our flight is halfway to our final destination, Sri Lanka. We just entered Oman right now. A l'aeroport de Muscat, a Oman, ens queda la darrera escala, els últims bitllets. I després de 3 vols i passar la nit dalt d'un avió, a bit tired right now, una mica cansat ja. By the way, we have free Wi-Fi and Sandra is using it. There we go. Same, but different. Up and down. Thanks, guys. Safe trip. Welcome to malaria-free Sri Lanka. There's no malaria anymore. Ya no hay malaria. Very, very important for the country. Here we go. Okay, we just arrived to Sri Lanka. Here we are. No one in the airport. Let's go and check for our bags. Anem a buscar les bosses. Our bag. They say it's broken. Estava oberta. It was open, actually, not broken. Thank you. Thank you very much. We found the bag like this when we took it from the airport, and I think they have stolen my sunglasses. I'm not 100% sure, no estic 100% segur, but I think they... When you first arrive, you need to change money, and right now SIM cards, so you have internet and calls, trucades internet. Per això contractem a Dial, us han recomanat l'avió. First sensations, primeres impressions, getting here, it's really warm, it's hot, it's humid, molta humitat, fa molta calor. Okay, we will see how it's taking us. Are you okay? It's hot. Really hot. Okay, we're gonna survive. Buddha. Okay, it's for Buddha. Thank you very much. Just outside the airport. Okay, right now, it's one of the strange moments we have to negotiate with the tuk-tuk, with the driver. Tenim que negociar per a que ens porti a l'hotel. We're gonna go. Okay, our friend. No, thank you.
Why?
Because we take a tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk, 1,000 rupees.
No, we pay 300, they tell us. To Kurana.
Kurana.
To Kurana, 300.
Kurana, tuk-tuk, 300.
Yeah. No? Okay. He says no. Thank you.
This Kurana, you last your payment 700.
No, thank you. Okay. Bye. Okay, we have to bargain a bit.
500 rupees?
No, 300.
Cheaper price, 2 people.
No, they tell us 300, it's good price to go. So, 400, it's a deal?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, it's a deal. 400 rupees?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's film.
Yeah.
Okay, I give you the address. Okay. Okay, 400. Sorry. Okay, il nostre tuk-tuk. Okay, let's go. Everything here. Drink up. Okay, bye-bye. 400 rupees. It's like 2.5 €, 2 euros each, más o menos. Mega menos. It's okay, that's fine. 2 people, lot of bags. He confused away. So, here we go. Okay, this is called tuk-tuk. And she says because, the sound is like it's... Hello.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
Danny, nice to meet you. Suresh, home stay. Okay. Okay, to see how it is. Okay, you're welcome, Suresh. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. És impressionant, és lo del hostel que hem agafat el primer dia. M'ha enviat com 5 o 6 mails. He wrote me like 5-6 times and he called me like 3 times to know everything is okay, que tot està bé. Hiper amable. And in the next program descobrirem temples dins de coves. Veurem processons de monges budistes durant el Polla Day. Agafarem transports públics pel país and we'll ask Buddha for protection.